This bending machine is a simple CNC machine with a capacity of 160 tons and a length of 4 meters. Nanjing Shandong E21. So this system is currently the most popular on the market. Simple CNC. How to operate specifically? Let me show you all. First, we turn on the emergency stop switch to start. After starting, the machine steps up. After reaching the top, you can see that currently. We press the next line. Press down. You will find that the cursor will only move from XP. Because of what? Because X represents the rear blocking material, the current position of the rear material. Then the oil cylinder, represented by Y, forming the oil cylinder to establish the current target position. Then this XP is the backend we want to modify. That is to modify his position corresponding to X. YP also corresponds to Y. Let's go modify the position of Y. For example, now we want to. Now it's a single step mode. We need to set the rear position to 100. Then we put the cursor directly at 80. The cursor is in XP. Then we directly input 100. Enter 100 and the position will be displayed. Then press enter directly. OK, it becomes 100. Then we press the green button to start. You can see that when you see the rear blocking material, he will retreat to 100. Then let's continue back to this button. The value displayed by YP. We can use it as a reference. For example, I use VRCS micro groove to fold 3 mm iron plate. Then I'll use manual mode. In manual mode, I slowly increase and decrease. Then I stepped on. When the bending angle is 90 degrees. For example, the value is 79.17. We directly modify YP to 79.17. Then press enter. OK, after the runway. He folded it down and it turned out to be the 3 mm board we measured at a 90-degree angle. Then if 130 degrees. What we have tried is 83. 83, then we enter it into 83. Then press start again. Running to 83 is enough. OK, let's demonstrate it. No need for a direct runway. Then there is a program selection here. This program selection. After we entered, we can set the number of steps. Fold 3 90-degree angles. Let's first enter a 3. Then you don't have to do these things yet. OK, come back. The first step is our X target position, Y target position. For the Y target position, we keep pressing 80. For example, the 81E measure is 90 degrees. Then we'll keep choosing 80. Always select the 80 X position. Now we are in the first step. Step E. The first cut X position is 200. In the second step, we are at X position 100. Step 3. At position X, we are at 150. Then confirm. Then return to the first step. Press Start. It will first run to the position of 200 in the first step. The rear blocking material will slowly retreat. Then insert a knife. Pressurization. Then get up. Then it will run to the second knife position. The second cut is 100. The rear material continue as to move forward. 100 then go down again. Then start again to the third knife 150. We will slowly make a slight adjustment. Do you all understand now?